Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch shark in Abyss Roblox. So catching a shark in Abyss is the ultimate test of your gear and also your reaction time. So these beasts are fast, aggressive, and also will snap a basic line in seconds. Here I'm going to show you the exact loadout and also the secret locations to land your first great white. So for the location, the shark can be found in the ancient sand. So I've already here, and let me show you how you can catch it. Okay, let me put my shark on the stats first. Okay, so you just need to go out from Jeff's store, and in here you can go right, and here you'll see the shark. Okay, so you need a powerful gun. At least you need to have a wasted gun, and you can use the fishing radar to see how many blood it has. Okay, I'm going to try to catch it. You can see it will try to attack you just like that. You need to come close, but you need to also be careful because it might attack you. Okay, I'm going to try to shoot it again, and here I got something for you. If it try to catch you, you can just fall back and go near the wall. Okay, I'm going to try. Okay, let's go back again. So here I'm using a Zeppelin tube and also a wasted gun. If you have sea mine, you can also use that. Okay, so let's try to catch it now and see if we succeed. Need to be careful and hover it long enough so that you successfully catch it. So that's it. That's how you can catch a shark in Abyss. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.